Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix publishing error on Printify. So first, you may want to head over to Printify and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then the next step is identifying the cause. Just head over to your Printify dashboard, then click on stores that can be found at the left panel, then click on manage my stores. Check for any error message details. It often mentions why the product failed. It could be because of missing mockups, title too long, or API issue. A way to fix is by reconnecting your store. From this page, all you have to do beside your store, just click on the three dot icon, then click on disconnect, then reconnect your store once again. Also check for product details, make sure that the title, description, tags don't contain unsupported characters like emojis or special symbols, and ensure your variants, sizes, colors have SKUs and prices set. You can also clear your browser and cache. For some errors come from browser session problems. So in your top right corner, click on the three dot icon, then click on delete browsing data, and you should be redirected to this page. You can delete your cache in this page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.